Welcome to the doctoreleks Medical Information System. In the doctoreleks Medical Information System, you can analyze and build interactive analytics using the Power BI platform. Let's look at the example of the financial sales analysis. Here you can find general information about the income of a medical institution for a selected period. You can also select a branch of a medical institution and year. Statistics based on the selected parameters are displayed on the graph revenue for period, where the blue curved line indicates the level of income by months and the purple straight line the trend of income. Additionally, you can view the amount of total revenue and the total quantity of services provided. At the bottom of the dashboard, you can see two diagrams. The first diagram, revenue by payers, shows the income by payers with the ability to view the detailed information for each group. The second diagram, revenue by clinics, allows viewing the detailed information about a certain clinic. For example, to view data for a certain branch, click the appropriate bar in the diagram. Now, the dashboard displays the information relevant to the selected clinic. Let's see how to analyze the efficiency of the clinic. On the dashboard, the efficiency of the services, the user can select certain parameters for filtering, namely period, clinic, and year. Statistics generated in accordance with the parameters you set are displayed on the dashboard. There are two histograms, revenue by group of services and by subgroup of services. To view data for an individual group, click the necessary bar in the histogram. On the dashboard Efficiency of Doctors, the user can choose Year and Clinic. Also, on this dashboard, you can choose the specialty of doctor and view their revenue. The fields Revenue and Quantity of Services, the graph Revenue for Period, and the diagram Revenue by Clinics display the statistics based on the selected parameters. There is the histogram of doctors' revenue, where you can see the list of doctors and their revenue according to the services they provide. Here, you can also find the list of doctors, their revenue, and quantity of services. To view information about the individual doctor, click the appropriate name on the list. Thank you for choosing doctoreleks Medical Information System.